In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best fishing reels available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the fishing reels list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the fishing reels mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Haibo Smart LFC Spinning Reel. The Haibo Smart LFC Spinning Reel delivers exceptional performance for both freshwater and inshore saltwater fishing. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber body, it offers a smooth 10-1 bearing system and a 5.2:1 gear ratio for efficient retrieves. With weights ranging from 181 g to 270 g and bait weight capacities of 535 g, it's versatile for various fishing conditions. Its corrosion-resistant build ensures long-lasting durability, making it a reliable choice for anglers targeting diverse environments. Number 4. HISTAR Jure 99 Carbon BFS Reel. The HISTAR Jure 99 Carbon BFS Reel is an ultralight bait casting reel at just 99 g, designed for precision and speed. Featuring an impressive 8.1:1 gear ratio, it offers lightning-fast line retrieval ideal for competitive fishing. The carbon fiber construction ensures strength without adding bulk, while the magnetic brake system enhances casting control. Suitable for both saltwater and freshwater, it's perfect for anglers who demand high performance in a compact and stylish package. Number 3. Shimano Vanford Spinning Reel. The Shimano Vanford spinning reel is engineered for anglers seeking lightweight power and smooth operation. Built with a stainless steel body and MGL rotor, it offers reduced startup inertia for effortless casting. Available in 2500 and 3000 series, it features a long-stroke spool for improved casting distance and max drag of up to 9 kilograms. Perfect for both freshwater and saltwater applications, it's a premium choice for those who value precision engineering and advanced performance. Number 2. Noeby Infinite Power Reel. The Noeby Infinite Power Reel is built for serious saltwater anglers, offering a full metal body for maximum strength and durability. With models ranging from 5000 H to 10,000 H, it delivers up to 45 pounds of drag power and a smooth 6.2:1 gear ratio for powerful retrieves. CNC machined aluminum spool and ambidextrous handling ensure both durability and convenience. Ideal for tackling large fish in challenging ocean conditions, this reel is a powerhouse for big game fishing. Number 1. PURELURE DMK Silver Feather BFS Reel. The PURELURE DMK Silver Feather BFS Reel is a finesse bait casting reel designed for ultimate precision and ultralight fishing. Weighing just 139 g, it's perfect for targeting species like trout and shad. With an 8.0:1 gear ratio, it delivers fast line pickup, while its carbon fiber body ensures strength without excess weight. Suitable for various environments from rivers to oceans, it's a top choice for anglers who demand control, smoothness, and lightweight comfort.